Okay, driving in Ireland for the first time.
Alright.
Okay. You gotta let the brake down. Okay. Left side of the road, left side of the road, left side of the road. And you can't make a right turn here, so there's no right turn.
Well, shit, that would be against the traffic anyway, wouldn't it?
Well, I don't know. I don't. Are you okay?
No. Which way? Go that way, right?
Yeah.
I think it's a one-way road.
You know what? Think about if what you would normally want to do the opposite.
This is fucking weird. Alright, so... Ooh, wait a minute.
Says no right turn.
Okay, so I have to go left.
You have to go left. There's a big old red says no right turn. So you know what? You're good because you're on that side, right?
Yeah.
So just follow these cars. You're in the bus lane. Okay. Scheiße.
Says I gotta make a U-turn.
Okay.
Shit. How do I turn? Right
I
here?
think, yeah. You can fix the light on.
Oh, why am I looking that way? Shit. Okay.
Okay. You're doing good. Is it weird?
Yes.